Students, today we are going to discuss about the fourth A group elements in unit P block elements. It is also known as column number 14 elements. In previous class, we also studied third A group elements and their compounds. So, first we discussed about the position of fourth A group elements in periodic table by the basis of given hints. So, position of fourth A group elements in periodic table by the basis of given hints. और ये गिवन हिंट्स हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, वैलेंसी, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, इलेक्ट्रोनेचर, एटॉमिक रेडियस, केमिकल बिहेवियर, and some other. Students, you know that this group is also known as silicon family or carbon family elements. So, question here: describe the position of carbon family elements in periodic table, or explain the position of silicon family elements in periodic table by the basis of given hints. So, first we take electronic configuration of fourth A group elements. Students, in fourth A group, 5 study elements are present: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and the lead. First we completed their configuration in their orbitals, then cell. So, electronic configuration. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. All fourth A group elements have 4 electrons in their outermost orbital. Also, we say that 4 electrons in their valency orbital. So, for carbon 2 and 4, it have 2 orbitals K and L, and 1 orbitals are increases when we goes on the upward to downward in this group. So 2, 8 and 4 for silicon. For germanium 2, 8, 18 and 4 for silicon 2, 8, 18, 18 and 4, and for lead 2, 8, 18, 32, 18 and 4. So we say that all elements have 4 electrons in their outermost orbital, so they are known as fourth age group elements. According to configuration, we find out their atomic numbers by the counting of their electrons. For carbon 6, for silicon 14, for germanium 32, 14, 50, for lead 82. These are the Z values of fourth A group elements. Now it goes on the configuration by the basis of Bose-Nash. Then fourth A group elements shown their simple configuration of last two cells NS2 and NP2 type. This configuration is given as carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. For carbon 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. For silicon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p2. For germanium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. If D cell is completed, then we first write 3d10, then 4s2 and 4p2. Here we observe that last two cells are found in the increasing order, like under 2s2, 2p2, then 3s2, 3p2, then 4s2, 4p2. Now for Sn, this series also increases here. 5s2 and 5p2, and for lead 6s2 and 6p2. So we say that element of fourth A group belong this type of configuration NS2 and P2 type. Now we discussed about the valency of fourth A group elements. You know that last orbital of element is known as valency orbital. For example, carbon 6. We configured it in k orbital 2 electrons, in L orbital 4 electrons. It is also configured in cell 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. So last orbital is known as valency orbital. In this orbital, number of electrons who participate for the completion of their octet, these electrons are donated or accepted, then this number of electron is known as their valency. So we say that the simple valency of fourth A group elements are common valency of fourth group elements is 4. Especially for carbon, because in organic chemistry we studied uncountable number of organic compounds. Each organic compound's carbon have their valency 4. Carbon and carbon atoms are conjugated with single bond, double bond and triple bond. So they make covalent bonds. All carbon valence, their valency 4. So we say that fourth A group elements shown their common valency 4. But in this group, tin shown the different valency in their compounds. For example, SnCl2 and SnCl4, it makes two compounds. It is a dichloride and this one is tetrachloride. Here Sn gives out their ion Sn2 plus and here Sn gives their ion tetra plus 4 plus. So according to their charge, because you know that in the case of their ionic valency, in the case of their electrovalency, they show their charge. So here the valency of Sn2 plus is 2 and the valency of Sn tetra plus is 4. So it's shown bivalent condition and tetravalent condition. Now next point is their oxidation state. Fourth group elements shown their variable oxidation state, because carbon shown their oxidation value 0 in organic compounds, but tin and other elements shown different oxidation state in their compounds. For example, glucose C6H12O6. Here we find out the oxidation state of this carbon atom because it belongs fourth group. So we make its equation 6x plus total number of hydrogen atoms are 12 here and one atom shown their oxidation state plus 1 and oxygen atoms are 6 here and common oxides shown their oxidation value minus 2 and the total of their oxidation state is 0. Then 6x plus 10 plus minus 10 equals to 0. Then minus करेंगे 0 upon में 6 divide होगा, then x equals to 0. Then answer is 0. So we say that glucose is shown their oxidation value 0 for carbon. Now its another compound is known as sucrose. So the oxidation state of carbon in compound sucrose. The formula, molecular formula of sucrose is C10H22 and O11. We find the oxidation state for carbon. 12x because 12 carbon atoms are here plus 22 hydrogen atoms and each hydrogen shown oxidation value plus 1 and 11 oxygen atoms, each common oxides shown their oxidation minus 2 and total of all oxidation state is 0. So 12x plus 22 plus minus 22 equals to 0. Here after minus it gives 0 and dividation of 0 by 12 it gives 0. Then also the value of x is 0. So the oxidation state of carbon in sucrose is also 0. Now we take other two examples for proving their oxidation state. For example, SnCl2 and SnCl4, and we find the oxidation of tin in both compounds. Here a single atom of tin, then we take X. For chlorine 2 atoms, so 2, and all halogens from their oxidation, common oxidation, -1. So for Cl, oxidation state is -1 and total of oxidation state equals to 0. X plus -2 equals to 0, then X equals to +2. This one is the oxidation state of tin. For SnCl4, tin is X, 4 atoms of chlorine are available, and oxidation state of a halogen atom is 1 equals to 0. Then X plus -4 equals to 0, then X equals to +4. This one is the oxidation state of tin in SnCl4. So we say that element tin shown their different oxidation state in different compounds. Another class we discussed about some other hints like as atomic radius, electronature and chemical behavior with the help of chemical reaction.